The table above gives values of an arithmetic sequence. Which of the following is an equation of a linear function that could represent the sequence? So what we have going on here is we have point-slope form. So if you remember from back in the day, point-slope form looked like this. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. But this is a slight manipulation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this information. I'll call you x sub 1. I'll call you y sub 1, right? That way I can plug stuff in. And is that looks like they want me to use 3 and 6? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. And what I also need to do is I need to find my slope. So the slope can be found by doing something like 8 minus 6. This is the slope formula. 6 minus 3, this is a slope formula. 2/3, this is a slope formula. And then when I plug stuff in, I get y minus y sub 1, which is 6, equals 2/3 times the quantity x minus x sub 1, which I called 3. So I need a slope of 2/3. So not you, yes you, not you, yes you. And I take it back. They actually don't want me to use 3 and 6. They want me to use 6 and 8. So why don't I change this? Why don't I make you my x sub 1 and you my y sub 1? So now I have, oh, watch me. I'll turn you into an 8. I'll turn you into a 6. But when I add 8 to both sides, it now will look like this. Y equals 8 plus 2/3 times the quantity x minus 6, which is going to be b. So kind of weird. The process that I used to do it wasn't, as exact as I wish it would be, but, that's what you do when you steal problems from the internet.